Hi, this is Catherine with Free Tours by Foot, here to talk to you today about buying a MetroCard.
The subway is the best way to get around New York City, but you can't ride without a MetroCard. Many people find the MetroCard machines confusing, or they don't know what kind of card to buy. We can help you out with both of those, so head up to the machine and press Start. It will ask you to select the language of your choice. There are many different options available. For the type of card, select MetroCard. If you don't have a MetroCard, you'll need to press Get New Card. There is a $1 fee for the new card, but if you already have a card, hit Refill Your Card. You can put your old MetroCard back into the machine face up as shown. There are two different kinds of MetroCards available, a regular or pay-per-ride card or an unlimited ride MetroCard. A regular MetroCard has whatever amount you choose to load onto it. A subway ride is $2.50 per ride, and one regular MetroCard can be shared by 4 people. This is best if you're going to ride the subway less than 12 times. If you plan on using the subway a lot, though, you should look at an unlimited ride card, even if you're not staying for 7 days. Just 12 subway rides or 6 round trips on the subway will pay for the card. Just know that an unlimited ride card cannot be shared. Whatever card you choose, you'll need to select your method of payment, either cash, ATM card, or credit card. If you select cash, go ahead and put your money into the machine. Please know that change is only given in dollar coins. If you choose credit card, put your card into the machine face up as shown, and it will ask for your billing zip code or your ATM PIN code. Now all you need to do is authorize the transaction and then take your brand new MetroCard out of the machine. You are all ready to explore New York City. Happy riding!